Hey, hi, welcome back to my channel Explore with Abhi, and this is Abhinaya Ravindran. In this video, we are going to see how to prepare restaurant style paneer butter masala. Believe me guys, if you try this for 1 or 2 times, you will become a pro in preparing paneer butter masala for the third time. So yes, let's go into the video. So before starting the main process, we need to soak some cashews and badams in warm water. I have took some 8 cashews and 5 badams, and I have already prepared some warm water, and I am adding those cashews and badam in the water and let it sit for half an hour or more, because we are going to use this in the end of the recipe. So now take a kadai, let it be to the medium to high flame, pour some oil. So I have added some gingerly oil. Now it's time to add some butter. I have took Amul unsalted butter. So cut some 1 or 2 cubes of butter and add into the oil. So let that melt for a while. Now take a mixer grinder, add 6 cloves of garlic and half piece of ginger and grind it well. Now it's all grinded well. So in that pan I have added the bay leaves, cardamom, fennel seeds and cinnamon, nutmeg and everything, and we have to saute it for a while, just for a minute. And now I'm going to add the garlic and the ginger paste. Keep the flame on low. Stir it well for a minute until it's golden brown. So now take a mixer jar, and I have added 1 big size onion and 3 tomatoes, and I have grinded well, and I am adding this mixture into it. So stir it well. So stir it well for a minute, and the flame should be medium to high. It's time to add the masalas. I'm adding the half teaspoon of turmeric powder and a half teaspoon of chili powder. And 1 to 2 spoons of coriander powder. And a half tablespoon of garam masala. And salt required. So now mix it well. Add some asafoetida powder. Give a nice stir. So let that cook for some 20 minutes. Meanwhile, we can cut the paneer into cubes like this, and I've already boiled some water for some 15 minutes, and now the water is warm. Now I'm going to add all these paneer cubes into that warm water and let that sit for some 15 to 20 minutes. Now it's all ready. It's time to grind the badam and the cashew. Before that, we don't want to waste the soaked cashew and badam water and also the paneer soaked water. Let's keep it aside and we shall use it in the curry later. Now add the cashew nuts, soaked cashew nuts and badam in the mixer grinder. Now add some 2 to 3 spoons of soaked badam cashew nut water into it and grind well. Now it has grinded well. So this is the perfect consistency after 20 to 25 minutes. Now let's add the soaked cashew badam water, about half a cup. Give a good mix. After 15 to 20 minutes of soaking into the warm water, now the paneer is really soft. Transfer into an empty vessel. Now I am collecting the paneer water. This is after 30 minutes. Now let's add some paneer soaked water, about 1 cup. Give a good mix. Let that boil for another 2 minutes and the flame should be in medium to high. So now I'm adding a pinch of salt because I tasted it and saw and it needs some salt. Now it's time to add some cashew and the badam mixture into it. Give a nice mix. Let the flame be in low now. Let it cook for another 2 minutes. It's time to add the paneer cubes. Stir it very slowly. So let that cook for another 2 minutes. So after 2 minutes, I am going to add a pinch of sugar into it. It really balances the taste so very well. Give a good mix slowly. So this is after 30 to 35 minutes of cooking process. So now off the flame, add some fresh kasturi methi leaves, dried methi leaves into it and give a good mix. Now the restaurant style paneer butter masala is all ready. Try this at your home. Hope you all enjoy this video. And if you like this video, give a thumbs up for this video. Subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you so much for watching.